Hey everybody, welcome to the printing workshop. I'm Matthew and today we're going to take a real quick look at how to change out a waste toner container on a Xerox PrimeLink C9200 series copy machine. To change the waste container, first thing you'll do is open the front blue door. After you get the front door open, if you look down and to the right, there's a little white door with a handle on the top. Pull out on that handle and that door will swing open just like that. Inside is your waste toner container. It's got a little handle up under it where you can grab it with your fingers and you just pull it straight out. That is your waste toner container. To go in with the new one, you'll take it out of the box and you'll put it in this direction so that the orange sticker is facing out. Slide it in until it seats. You'll close your white door and then you'll close your blue door and you're done. And if you'd like to see more videos on this same model, check out these videos here. Hey YouTube, thanks for watching this video. If you found anything helpful in this, please like and subscribe and check out our website at www.stptexas.com.